Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's the first time seeing me, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Alright, today's video is Valentine's Day makeup look. Yeah, you want to look snatched. Very excited right now with the hair, with the look. If you want to see how this look came together, then keep on watching while we go right into this video. I'm going to be filling in my brows with the Beauty Line by Didi Brow Pencil. It's called Brow Glam. This is in Perfect Brown. So I don't think I've used this pencil before on my channel. I've always been using the Blot brow gel liner. I just thought I should open it here and let you guys see. Okay, but if you're a beginner, I sincerely suggest that pencil is the best thing to start with, not a brow pomade. That's a personal opinion anyways. So I'm brushing my brows through. This side is the spoolie where you can just use to brush up your brows, while here is the pencil and it's a roller pencil. Let's see how lengthy it is. Okay, that's it. This is sold for 2,000 naira. That's like okay, I'll put the amount in dollars on my screen. This is a Nigerian brand, by the way. I love this brow product. I've used it before, but I've never used it here on my channel, so I just thought I should make use of this today here, so you guys see what it looks like. This pencil is mattifying. Beautiful, like, oh my god, it just got broken. So be very careful while filling in your brows. Don't apply pressure at all, like my 2,000. If this is one of the reasons why I don't like roll-up pencil, because once it's broken, you know that is that. So guys, I'll be highlighting my brows with the Ferrarosi concealer. I'm highlighting my underbrows with 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and the angle brush I'm using is from Nubanbeauty. It's also a Nigerian brand. I love this angle brush. It makes my work easier. It's so light, so I dust off the excess powder by just pushing it into my skin. Alright guys, I have a detailed brow tutorial on my channel, but if you want an updated brow tutorial, just leave a comment down in the comment section. Next guys is the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from Debbie Luster. Before I go into the eyeshadow, I'll be priming my lid with the Benign Clown White. So I'm going to be applying this right on my lid. Okay guys, so I'm going into this shade. I want my crease color to be like a warm brown, so I'm starting with this at my crease and just stippling that and then blending towards the inner corner of my eyes. I'm applying this shade below the first shade that I applied on my crease. It's like a more warmer shade compared to the one I applied earlier. So I feel I should have applied this first, but it's still coming out nice. Like, it's coming out like what I actually had in mind. I'm creating base for my lid color. A kind of like I'm doing a cut crease, but it's not a cut crease. I'm blending the edges. I'll be going into this shade from Nubanbeauty. It's called Stella. Just patting that right on my crease, or my lid rather. This eyeshadow is pigmented. It have little or no fallout. Okay, yeah guys, I'm done with my eyes. I just popped in some shimmer shade, white shimmer shade of eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eyes, just to open up my eyes a bit, and then I'm going to my skin right now. So I'm using this liquid highlight from Nubanbeauty. I want to add some glow to my skin, I've cleansed, moisturized, and primed my skin already. So I moisturize with the Aveeno moisturizer. I cleanse using the metics cleansing micellar water, and then I use my Pond's oil controlling primer. So I produce oil around my T-zone, so I always go in with that just to keep my oil at bay. Yeah, this is where light will normally hit my face. I'll be using the Nubanbeauty foundation in W6 for my skin. This is a tester actually. I'll probably be leaving the original size on the screen somewhere here so you see how it looks like. So this foundation is a very lightweight foundation, but it's buildable to cover any imperfection that you have on your skin. For my forehead, I don't like applying too much. Like, I take whatever is left on the sponge, I just take it over to my forehead. I'm spraying my face with the Thayer setting mist. I want that foundation to sink into my skin, so you can just use a hand fan to speed things up. So I'm pushing in that setting mist into my skin. Next is my concealer from Thayer. I'll be applying that right underneath my eyes. I like to use 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and then I'll be using much lighter color for the inner corner. So guys, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, leave a comment down the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get an upload anytime new video comes out, guys. So I'll be leaving my highlights to dry down just a little bit before I start my blending. Darker shade of foundation for my contouring, so I'm just gonna do this. Over to this side that I didn't use to blend my concealer. So I've left this concealer for almost 5 minutes. Sorry, I blend out my contour. I didn't know my phone went off while I was blending my contour area, so I'm so sorry about that. So the secret to this concealer, the Thayer concealer, is to leave it to dry down. I think it's one of my favorite concealer, if you ask me, because it just blends out very nicely and is soft. There is no creasing underneath my eyes at all. It's not creasing, guys. You just need to know how. That's why sometimes when you get a product that is actually not working for you, I feel it's not because the product is not good per se, but I feel maybe you've not really known how to use the product properly. Because I think I once said here on this channel that I don't like the Thayer concealer, and I'm so sorry, I take back my words, because at that time truly I did not like it. So I'll be setting the highlighted areas with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I blend one more time. I set. I'll be teaching you guys how to bake, the difference between baking and setting. Next, I'll be setting the contoured area with the V Beauty palette. I'll be using the shade Maroon to set the contoured area. I always try to dust off excess product. Next, I'll be setting the whole of my face with the chocolate from the same powder palette. I'm emphasizing my contour line. Next, I'll be adding a little of hairspun to the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to bake my under eye. I dust off the excess powder on my cheek, and then around this area. I also dusted that off because I don't want this area to, you know, be overbaked. Look at, if I'm even smiling, you notice that I'm beginning to have wrinkles already. So if you're dry skin, try not to bake while this area is still baking. I'll be applying my falsies from Wing. This is in the style Savage. So I blush up my face using the Fine Gold and Hot Copper in this eyeshadow palette. I'm picking my bottom lash with the Kiss Beauty mascara. I sprayed my face with the same setting spray I used earlier, so I'll be adding some glow to my face with this gold shade eyeshadow from Nubanbeauty. So before my face dried down completely, I use this to add some glow. Next is my lips. I'll be using this red lippy from Debbie Loster. It is in the shade red, like R-E-D-D. So because it's Valentine, I want something red on my lips. Yeah. So guys, I'm outlining with a red pencil. Final seal, guys. So guys, I'm just using my beauty sponge to press the setting spray into my skin. And yeah guys, I want to start a series on my channel for beginners. I'm very excited and particular about this series. I don't know why, but I just feel like doing something very basic from scratch to the top. So if it's something you want to see, let me know down in the comment section. Okay guys, yeah, the hair I'm carrying, it's called Knotless Braid. Look at how lengthy the hair is. Yeah, the hair is very long. I used 4 canicolon hair for this hair. I also twist the tips. This hair is not heavy, it's very lightweight. You know, the braiding with your natural hair, so I feel maybe that's why it's very lightweight. So I am so happy with this hair and the look. Yes, that is it for this Valentine's Day look. If you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new videos. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.